said, you know, I always had you, baby. Just waiting for you to find what you were looking for. There came a moment